Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhave Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is return calling and return functions which is present in Java. So there are many types of methods present in our Java which is return many type of value or output. Then firstly we discuss the what is meant by methods. So methods is a block of code. It is a collection of statement. It is written the some value or integer value. Then with the help of method we can pass the parameter in that method and perform the multiple task and multiple operation with that method. We does not need to write multiple time code. We can write once method and it's use again and again. With the help of method we code we reusability the code. Then there are many primitive data types which we are used to return the value in our program. Then first is void keyword. Whenever we don't want to return anything, that time we use the void keyword. Void keyword is also present in the main method. In that main method, why void keyword present in the main method, why not integer, float, character, double? Because main method is our starting point of execution program. That's why main method cannot return anything. That's why we use the void keyword with the main method. Then if we use the void keyword any method, then this method cannot return anything. Suppose we write any method int, like public int add and pass the some integer, open curly braces, perform some operation. Then that method should return the any integer value. Suppose we perform the addition in that method, then it returns the additions of both variables which is stored in third variable. That third variable we return the method. Then suppose we use the toString return type with our method, then it returns the with the help of toString. It is inbuilt functions. With the help of toString method we can print our object. And then next one is if we use the float return type with our method, then it returns the float value of your program or main method. Then suppose we use the this keyword. So this keyword means this keyword refers to the current object of class. That's why we also use the this keyword in our method. And with the help of this keyword we can call the current object of class and perform some multiple operations. And then also super keyword. Super keyword is used to refer the parent class property. With the help of super keyword we easily access the parent class property or parent class method, parent class variable into our program. But there is a one flaws of our program. We can't take at a time this keyword and super keyword in one method, because they both are reference variables, or they both are perform in a single line of constructor or a single line of within a block of code. That's why we does not use both keyword at a time. So super keyword, if you want to access parent class of variable property methods, that time we use the super keyword. Super keyword points to the parent class object. And then there are many return type present in the Java, like flow double. If you use the double with our method, then it returns the double value of our method. And that's all about the calling and return types of method. Thank you so much.